So this is the unboxing of this syringe. So inside you have the syringe, the alcohol, and the mile-long leaflet. Yeah, you should read this because there are very important side effects inside. A mile long, as I said. So now it's very simple. You should open both of the alcohol rubs. Okay. Now you open the syringe. This is how you get the needle out. You have to take out the cap, only unscrew it. Okay. Screw the needle, put it here, and now you have to use the alcohol rub. It's very simple. You just do a circle. You make a pinch. And then you just keep the alcohol rub for 10 seconds or something like that, and that's it. Thanks for watching.